That's a real one in your reflection. Without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these. You gotta be nice for what to these.
What's good, gang? Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, I got some exciting news for you. I partnered up with Longqi Hair and they are having a giveaway. So the rules and regulations for this giveaway: you must be subscribed to their channel, which their channel link will be in the description down below for you guys to do that. You must follow them on Instagram. Also, link will be in the description down below for you guys. Follow their Facebook page. And then that's number one rule, okay? The number one rule is you have to be subscribed to their channel, you have to follow them on Instagram, and you have to follow their Facebook pages. All the links for those will be in the description down below for you guys. For you to do that, the number two rule is click any of the following links, which I will have all the links. It's 5 links, 5 hair links. There's 5 hair links that I will put in the description down below for you guys to choose hair. It says click the following links to choose the hair you want to win. Add them to your choices to the cart. And I guess they would, if you put, sorry, I'm like stuttering. If you put the choice of hair into the cart, they will automatically and I think you would have to put like your information in. Don't buy the hair, but you have to put your information in so they know obviously what your name is, what your address is, like, you know, to pull you out of the situation or whatever. Anyway, so the prizes for this giveaway, the first winner, which is only one winner, one female, will win a 14-inch, a 16-inch, an 18-inch bundle with a 14-inch closure of like any texture style of hair. This was curly hair. I had got curly hair from them, but Myra curled it for me, and it actually curled really good. Ooh, got my fingers there. It actually curled really good. But yeah, so this was the curly hair, but it's obviously looking like a little body wave-ish now because Myra curled it or whatever. Anyway, back to what I was saying. The second winner, which is 5 girls will win this. And it's a $20 US coupon code. So if you buy bundles from them, you'll get $20 off, like a $20 coupon code or whatever to use for that. So that's 5 girls, 5 females will win that. And then the third winners, which is 10 females. So 10 of you lovely females will win a $10 US code. So when you buy hair from them, you'll get $10 off, you know. Anyway, so this giveaway is a 7-day long giveaway. So a week-long giveaway. It's a 7-day giveaway, and there will be links. It says, like, for all the hair that you can win. I will put links in the description down below for you guys to do that. So I'm gonna show you guys all my hair. Like, this is the hair, and I honestly love Longqi hair. Like, their hair lasts forever, literally. Like, I literally brought this hair back to life. This was like, I'll put a curly picture of what the hair looked like before and then like when Myra curled it. This is obviously what it looks like. It's a sum up, some down, like giveaway, a sum up, some down hair thing, hairstyle sewing. Sorry, I'm over here stuttering, don't even know what I'm talking about. But yeah, so I'm gonna put all of the styles and the hair that I got from Longqi Hair. So if you guys want those pretty hair bundles, and those are the ones you guys can choose. And yeah, so good luck to any of you ladies who are going to join this giveaway. I hope all of you guys who do this giveaway win. So yeah, I love you guys. Bye.